Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use the word count feature in Word to keep track of the number of words in your document. Start by opening your Microsoft Word document, and if you don't have one yet, create a new document or open an existing one. Now look at the bottom left corner of your Word window. You'll see a box displaying the word count. It will show you the total numbers of words in your document. So here is the word count. So if you want to open the word count window, all you have to do is to simply click on the word count box. A menu will pop up after clicking it with additional information, including character count, page count, and more. The word count is a fantastic tool for tracking progress on assignments, reports, or essays. It helps you stay on target and meet those word count goals. Now don't forget to save your document to preserve your word count data. And that's it. You now know how to use word count in Word. Keep an eye of the number of words in your document. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use word count in Word. See you on my next video.